Okay, we're 11 satellites, 84%. We're in flight. It wants to land to home. It's got a home registered. So let's fly up now. I've got the tail light on it. I'm behind it so I can fly as I see it. Drone's eye view. Let me rotate it around as I go up. And then you can see me as well. I don't want to push forward that much. But there you can see the car stopped. Where am I? I guess I'm out a little bit further out of view. Not that way. I guess I'm 180 degrees from where I think I am. Yeah, there I am. Am I? I might be. No, now I'm 180 degrees. I'm confused. I think I have to turn the bird around is all it is. I was right the first time. I just wasn't pointing down far enough. There we go. Okay, now I got this beautiful cap. I am recording for time and distance. It says I have 10 minutes and 22 seconds left on this battery at 76%. I think I'm really good in terms of what it's going to do or what it's not going to do or where the hell I'm going to go. And anyhow, I'm coming on. The woman blocking everything. I mean, what if I were to stare her in the face? What would that do to her? I bet that would shock the shit out of her. Let's see if I'm on it. Coming down, coming in Los Angeles. There's the hedge, and she's just out of sight. You can see the shadow of her car. The shadow of her car. I guess I got to push forward a little bit. That way. Oh, that's backwards. Oh, I see flashing. That's nice. I also see that we've got a considerable time lag. So there's Mom's car. That means I'm not far behind. 14 satellites. Right over that. Curious. Two jets flying side by side. That's a nice sight. But I still can't tell which way I'm looking. Even though the bird says it's pointing south. Almost due south. That's Mom's car. So it should see me if I come down. Oh, there I am. Yep. I just missed me every time out. Oh, he's waiting for his bow. Okay, it's coming right in at me, but I can't trust the screen. And I don't have a sense of how fast it's going. Ooh, the banshees! The banshees have come. Never saw that before. Open it up. Open up by the EV. I never noticed that you could do that. 4 minutes of recording. And we have 52% battery. 12 satellites. Everything is looking good. 6 minutes, 10 seconds. It says here on the go home point. So it's locking pretty good. I should really pay attention to the camera. It's not beeping at me, but it is floating side to side a little bit. It's just at that height where it wants to sense me and see if I'm really in the way or not. So I'm going to bring up a touch and get closer, and that way it won't do this obstacle avoidance routine, and I will get the gimbal to come down a bit and fly it over just like that. So now I'm not in front of the sensor, and let's see how close I can get and not have it burp at me. Pretty damn close. I would say these are good close-ups. Obstacle avoidance is kicking in right there. So that's the max. If I get a little higher, maybe I can do it. Yeah, right in there, coming down. Oh, look, that's about as close as it gets. I don't think I can get any close. Now it thinks it's going to land on my nose. Okay, bye. There's that hole in the trees. You can't quite see it from there. Let's see how to push this forward. Like that. I still got it in eyesight. I still see the bird from here. So it's point of view, I got it. It's in my eyesight. The hole in the trees. Now, what I did from the other side is walk across the street and bring her down right into the hole. So I could probably still do that. I don't think I want to though. How you doing? Good. Okay, coming down. All right, we have 29% battery. We're hovering. Let's go take a look at the work site. My tail light is still on. That's kind of cool. And it doesn't seem too much dragged by the 4 landing gear that I have there. It's just at the border. I didn't want, it might have crashed right into it. Obstacle avoidance is on. Workmen are having their lunch break over there in the distance. You can see them sitting on the truck, or maybe not, but they are. It's a lot higher all of a sudden than I thought it was. Let's come down and have the overall look. They left their instruments behind, and you can barely see me unless I walk into the shot. So there you go. Now I'm in the shot. I'll come down. I went up.
Battery level is low. The aircraft will go to the home point in 10 seconds.
Don't. Where am I? There you go. Point down a bit. That's kind of hot overexposure. Oop, wrong way. I keep confusing my gimbals. It's a gamble to confuse your gimbals. Obstacle avoidance getting in the way. Slide to land on the car. Successful landing on the car top. That's pretty rare. So, okay, the battery is down to 7%. The props have stopped. The recording goes on. Calibrate the compass. Compass error. Move the aircraft because it's sitting on a car.
ADI mode.
And now it's no longer sensing satellites. The power is too low. And that's about a wrap for now. Let's take a look at the leaves. I was wondering if I can set the bird off to move these leaves a little bit. I might try that on another battery. But right now, I'm going to go across the street to the post office and see if some things have arrived, and then come back and bring you upstairs. Okay, take care. Bye.